How to go live on Facebook Lite. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel app guide. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can actually go live on the Facebook Lite app, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you want to go live on Facebook Lite, so you don't have the main Facebook app installed but you are using Facebook Lite because due to lack of storage or maybe your own personal reasons for this, but you want to go live, can you do that? Well, let me tell you, you can absolutely do that. So to do this, all you have to do is just go ahead and open the Facebook Lite application. Once you launch the Facebook Lite app, you will see this type of interface where you just need to tap on the what's on your mind icon over here to update your status. So if you're updating about anything, you can go ahead and post it over here. You can just type in a status or whatever else. But to go live, if you look at the bottom right above the post feed, you'll find this little red icon that says go live. All you have to do is just tap on this little button here. Once you tap on it, it'll ask you get started going live. It says while you're live, your selected audience can see what you're broadcasting. So just tap on the got it button, and then after this it is going to take some time to actually set up your live video, and then once you're done, you can basically begin your live video as well. This is how you can go live on Facebook Lite. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.